Hello, this is Said Sajjari. So welcome to this video. Today we are going to share some top tips and tricks regarding IELTS speaking part 2. It is a very important video, so let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the task. You will get a cue card with a topic. You have 1 minute to prepare and 1 to 2 minutes to speak. So use this time very wisely. Make sure you understand the topic and the points you need to cover. This is the very important stage because these thoughts will organize your answers. Structure your answer. Follow a very simple structure: introduction, main body and conclusion. Start by introducing the topic and then expand to the main points with brief examples and experiences. And finally wrap up the topic with a brief conclusion. This will organize your thoughts and easy to follow, and most importantly the examiner will feel easy to assess your response. Tip 3. Use bullet points. Jot down keywords or bullet points during the preparation time that can help you while speaking. Write down the main ideas that you want to cover with examples and experiences that can illustrate the topic. This helps keep you on the track and ensures you covered all the aspects of a topic. Tip 4. Expand your ideas. Use examples, reasons and personal experiences to develop your answer. This shows your ability to elaborate on a topic. For example, if the topic is all about your memorable trips, describe not just the place but why it was memorable, what you did there and how it impacted you. The more specific and detailed you are, the better will be your answers. Tip 5. Stay fluent. Speak smoothly without too many pauses. Don't worry about your mistakes, just keep going. The examiner will see your effectiveness in communication. Don't worry about the perfection. Use linking words and phrases to connect your ideas. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.